How to unlink Netflix from GCash. If you're getting charged on GCash every month for Netflix and want to stop it, here's how to unlink GCash using the Netflix app on your phone. Step 1. Launch the app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap Account. This will open your account settings in your phone's browser. Step 2. On the account page, scroll down to Membership and Billing and tap Cancel Membership, then confirm by selecting Finish Cancellation. This stops future GCash payments from being charged. Step 3. Still on the account page, tap Manage Payment Info. You'll see your GCash, linked card, or wallet listed. You can either remove it or add a new payment method to replace it. Step 4. Make sure GCash is no longer active. Once GCash is removed or replaced, double-check your payment methods to confirm it's no longer linked to your Netflix account.